To connect a wallet in MetaMask, start by installing the MetaMask extension on your browser if you have not already done so. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a Wallet or Import Wallet if you already have a wallet. If you choose to create a wallet, MetaMask will guide you through the process of creating a new wallet, which includes generating a unique seed phrase and setting up a password. Make sure to store your seed phrase in a safe place, as it can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. If you choose to import a wallet, you will need to enter your seed phrase and set up a password. Make sure to use the correct seed phrase and to keep it safe, as it can be used to access your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you will see your wallet address and account balance. You can use this address to send and receive cryptocurrency. To connect to a specific network, such as the Ethereum mainnet or a test network, click on the Network drop-down menu and select the network you want to connect to. To add a custom network, click on the Add Network button and enter the network details, including the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. Make sure to use the correct network details to avoid any issues with your transactions. To connect to a decentralized application, click on the Connect button on the application website and select the wallet you want to use. MetaMask will then prompt you to confirm the connection and to select the accounts you want to connect. It is essential to keep your wallet and seed phrase safe to avoid any unauthorized access to your funds. Always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely connect your wallet in MetaMask and start using decentralized applications.